For some, 707 HP is not enough. Hennessey Performance has the solution with its warranty-guaranteed performance upgrade and modification packages, available for all Hellcat-platformed Chargers. When vehicles get older and accumulate miles, components age, and wear, understandably, the risk factor of modifying them increases. As a result, Hennessey Performance does not offer a warranty on vehicles older than 3 years, regardless of condition or maintenance, or vehicles with more than 10,000 miles. Hennessey Performance, the Texas-based hypercar manufacturer and high-performance vehicle creator, has brought forward production of its new H1000 Dodge Charger Hellcat SRT performance upgrades and modifications package to satisfy high customer demand. The new model is available in an eye-catching new livery with output upgraded to 1,000 brake horsepower at 6,500 RPM and 948 lb-ft torque at 4,200 RPM. The Dodge Charger Hellcat is a formidable muscle car that has captured the hearts of car enthusiasts everywhere. However, for those seeking an even more thrilling experience, the H1000 package by Hennessey takes the Charger's already impressive performance to new heights. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates the thrill of the open road, these videos showcasing the Hennessey H1000 Dodge Charger Hellcat are sure to impress. From top speed runs to customer reviews, these videos offer a glimpse into the world of this high-performance muscle car. The Hennessey H1000 Widebody Hellcat Redeye is the ultimate expression of American muscle. With its supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine upgraded to 1,000 horsepower and 1,440 Nm of torque, this Hellcat not only dominates the streets, it redefines them. The menacing widebody stance, the roaring exhaust, and the acceleration that makes it one of the most exciting muscle cars ever built. Pure, unapologetic horsepower from idle to redline. Get a first-hand look at the Hennessey H1000 Dodge Charger Hellcat Redeye in action.